How has old world charm? Ho Chi Minh Town Courtyard has got that charm. Got that old charm. It's got boutiques. It got those steps. It needs that paint. It got the looks. Yeah, it got the looks. Ho Chi Minh Town Courtyard. It got the looks. Ho Chi Minh Town Courtyard. It got its looks, but it needs that paint. It needs that paint. Pátio de Ho Chi Minh Town, beautiful courtyard. It got those looks, it got those nooks. Check out those nooks and crannies. Pátio de Ho Chi Minh Town.
Macau. So this one, yeah, you just watched the video, so I'm gonna start trying to do that more often. I'm gonna I'm making music with AI, and so I put in the lyrics and then I tell it what genre I want, and then I can kind of work with the lyrics as well. Anyways, that's what that is. And now I'm gonna talk a little bit about this, and I don't know, one of the lines I put into the song was it needs paint. Like, this place is so beautiful when you look at the potential of it. So maybe you saw that in the video, and then if you watch the other part where I do my walk and talk, you'll see that, yeah, the space is really nice. And actually at the top, there was actually, I think it's maybe a Portuguese guy, I'm not sure. Somebody was just hanging out up there, enjoying that beautiful view. And he had his drink there. You'll see him off to the side, but I was just thinking, man, that's like what a great spot just to check out the city. From that angle. And then, yeah, that down below is the Portuguese consulate. It's a nice black and white tile street. Maybe you can see that at the beginning when I do the walk and talk, because I'll walk in there a little bit. And the music one, I just stayed in the patio itself, but there's also a beautiful space up at the top, like another area with other patios. And that's going to be at the end of the video of the walk and talk, so you can see that as well. And before I get too much into it, I'll show you on the map. But yeah, this has so much potential. Like, paint that, put some little patio chairs on the patio. Let people maybe sit and then catch that view looking down like that. Oh man. Anyways, that is a nice little patio called Ho Chi Minh Tong Patio. And here's the walk and talk. Okay, we got a little courtyard. Ho Chi Minh Tong. Just to give you some context, there's some pretty cool stuff right over here. And then there's a lot of potential up this street. And we're gonna take a look at some of the shops that go up these stairs. You'll see that as well when we get into it. And there's a nice courtyard up at the top. So we're gonna go up that way and explore and go to the left. And you're gonna see like these little boutiques, kind of like this Yoko boutique. There's a whole handful of them there. So we're gonna see this one and see also the potential of the streets. Just how interesting it is, especially because they can really set stuff up here and create something amazing. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's check out this courtyard. Okay, so let's just kind of take a look up here first. This is Pátio de Lasca da Silva, and we're just gonna come around here real quick. Just highlight this so you can see it before we get into the patio. Black and white tiles. More courtyards. There's a courtyard, there's streets that go all the way around the corner as well. But this is at the Pátio de Lasca da Silva. And we're gonna head up that way. So location-wise, it's kind of an interesting spot. So let's go up, go between these two. Check out our patio. Okay, so let's say goodbye to all this kind of cool stuff up here. So actually that one's for rent, and that one's for rent as well, I would imagine. So let's go up, check out all our patios and such like that. We saw the one already, the Yoko one. Boutiques, I mean. And you got another boutique here, and another one. These look like they might have went out of business. Yeah, this street, like I've been in here before. This is a salon right here. And you got these nice little things like that. Like if they beautified this and they painted these buildings and they put some sculptures in here, and they do have some sculptures up there. Like this could be a really inviting street that people want to come up. You know, there's no motorcycles or anything like that. It's just kind of, there's a beautiful future for it. It's just kind of unrealized at the moment. Check out this one. This looks like kind of like a Greek Santorini kind of feel. We just kind of come over by that door. You know, that kind of narrow little door like that. I don't know if that goes to, I guess it's part of that building. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking up. Battle Lab. And of course you have these like kind of beautiful windows like this. Buddy Music. This one has pizza. Huh? So now you can kind of look down on that. Buddy Music. It's like a music store. Oh, they got a bunch of CDs and records and everything in there. Didn't even know that was there. You kind of see the records and yeah, it looks beautiful. It's a nice coffee shop right there too. Actually, that coffee shop looks kind of busy. So let's step back a little bit. So it's a really nice looking street. Here's another example of some of this could be turned into a sculpture as well. It's kind of this ambiguous, strange thing, but you could do some kind of character, promote it, have the symbol of the street. Just thing like arms and a head, turtle head, and I don't know, something. So yeah, we got a really nice patio right in here. Another business out of business right there. So we're gonna go up further. And then this opens up into another patio, which is Travessa de Sancho Pancha, which is it's a name of a book from Spain. So this also opens up into this beautiful patio as well. And so that's our view. So yeah, this is really well located. And this whole patio right here too is another space. You could do a lot with this as well. Look how beautiful those balconies are. You got these big beautiful balconies. This street is so photogenic and so under-realized. It goes down. It's kind of cool. Just Okay, so we're gonna continue on. And I should probably do this whole other one in itself, because this does turn into a different patio, the Sanchez, named after the Spain author. But that's our little patio right there. And we're just gonna walk down a little bit and kind of give you some context of where all this goes into. But yeah, all of this stuff has like all this amazing, like you could put tables and chairs out here. You do almost anything you want in this space. And then it comes up into this other area, which is kind of cool. And then that kind of gets beyond our patio, but you have all these little things like these little patios down this way. And you got some other kind of cool stuff like that. So let me just kind of and then also up here you have a little temple up there, like a little red one. I'll just show it real quick for this whole little space as well. Anyways, that's our patio right down that way.